Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be discussing about the central themes that can be seen in this chapter, His First Flight. This chapter is the first part of the chapter named Two Stories About Flying. So let us go ahead. The first theme of this story is that how one can deal with overcoming fears and the importance of building courage and confidence in self. In the absence of self confidence and self belief, there might come a situation in our lives where we could be in deep trouble. This might lead to various complications and may even lead to some very serious consequences. So, this story tells us why it is so important for all of us to have self belief and courage. The second theme that can be seen is that the role of family. Okay, so this story deals with the pivotal role of family in our lives. It was the family of the seagull that made him jump from his ledge and eventually that made him learn flying. In the absence of his family's motivation and guidance, the seagull might have starved to death because of his fear of flying. So these two themes can be seen in this chapter. Next, let us discuss the textual questions. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or are some birds more timid than others? Do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to its first step? The seagull was afraid to fly because it felt that its wings would not support him. And of course, all young birds must have some kind of nervousness and fear to make their first flight, but there might be some birds who are perhaps more timid than the others. Okay, and do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first steps? Of course, it is very challenging for a human baby also to balance his entire body on two steps. So this is a challenge for all, in fact, to make the first flight or take the first step. The sight of the food maddened him. What does this suggest? Now, this suggests that the seagull was very hungry and had not eaten for quite a long time. What compelled the young seagull to finally fly? The sight of the food and the way the mother brought the food to him, and it felt as if the food was almost within its reach, that made him jump at the piece of fish that the mother brought and eventually led him to fly. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? Because otherwise the seagull would never try to fly and would be left alone inside the ledge, and that is not the life that a seagull has. Okay, it has to fly, it has to learn to fly in order to survive in the world, in order to hunt its own food. So that was the reason why the father and the mother of the seagull were threatening him and also were cajoling him to fly. So with this, I come to the end of this video. I hope you have understood the theme that has been discussed, and also I hope that you can answer all the questions that might come from this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.